Welcome students to your new class of English, and today our new topic with a new morning is use of not. Already I have discussed in my last class where to use yes or no. That was the basic part before teaching use of not, right? So when we use the word yes or no, when the question is being asked in a very objective form. Okay, if you have been asked that are you happy, you will say yes or no. So if I am asking you, will you go to park to play, you will answer no, right? So because we have to stay at home, we will not go in the gathering. We are all staying at home for the safety so that we are not being infected. So now we are answering it as no. But usually we all like to play in the park, right students? So no or yes is being used when the answer has to be given in objective form, in one word, okay? But if I say that I am not happy, so is this sentence correct? How many of you will tell me that is this sentence correct or wrong? How many of you? Let's see. Is this sentence correct or wrong? I am no happy. Is it a correct sentence? So we are getting many of the students writing yes. Trishita is telling, ma'am, this is the wrong sentence. Nandini is also telling it is a wrong sentence. Orgo Mondul also, and Shomrik also. Yes students, this is a wrong sentence. I am no happy is not a correct sentence. I am not happy. So now instead of the word no, we are using not. Okay, so while using a sentence, making a negative sentence, we will use not, N-O-T. Like if I ask you, will you go to mall? No, I will not. Will you go to park? No, I will not. Will you like to hang out this last weekend on Saturday? No, I will not. So why we are answering no, I will not? Because we are not going out of our houses, right? Otherwise we would have some option. So in this manner we will use no. No is being used always before the noun, but while making the sentence we use it in a form of not, N-O-T. Okay, so now all of you please open your page number 30 of your English course book. Today I am going to discuss this one along with you. So here comes lesson number 22, page number 30, use of not. Here we have been given some images and we have to find out whether the answer is correct or wrong. So here we see the first one in a question form. As in the last class I have taught you that where to use yes and where to use no, and I had asked you some questions which started with is. So here also the same thing, questions are being starting with is. So let's see. The first question is this a dog? So this is a question and we can find one question mark at the end of the sentence. When we are asking some question, there will be these type of sign. This is one of the punctuation sign. Okay, so this is in a basic stage we call it or pronounce it as question mark, but it is known as interrogative mark. Okay, so is this a dog? You are asking. If you are asking some question to someone, your question ends with question mark. Okay, so now let us give the answer, and here we can see a small pup. right? It's a baby dog which is also known as puppy. So we will answer no. After no, you are getting one comma. So comma means it's a pause. You have to wait. You have given a pause in the sentence. No. Wait for a while. Then after start reading the sentence, this is not a dog. This is not a dog. Here your sentence concludes, that is your sentence ends. And when your sentence ends, what you will use? You will use full stop. So for the question, you will use question mark. For a pause in the sentence, you will use comma, and when your sentence ends, you will use full stop. So already full stop I have taught you while discussing regarding the construction of sentence, right? That sentence starts with capital letter, and if there is any special name or proper noun in the sentence, it will be started with capital letter, otherwise not. And your sentence always ends with a full stop. Okay? So here also the same thing. No, pause. This is not a dog. So the sentence ended. Now when we are giving a wrong statement, when you are giving any negative answer, so that answer should be rectified with the correct one. And now with the help of the image, the correct answer is being given, that is, it is a pup. It is a pup. And here the sentence ends and we put a full stop. So I hope all of you understood that how to answer this question if you are being asked and if the question is in negative form. Okay. So next, let's go for the next one. Is this a cat? Again question mark. You have been asked a question. Is this a cat? Look at the picture. No, it is a baby cat. It is not a big cat. It is a baby cat. And what a baby cat is known as? Students, what a baby cat is known as? Afrin, please get up and sit properly. You are doing your class, beta. Afrin Sultana, please get up and sit properly while doing your class. Sit down. Yes. Okay. So, yes, it's kitten. It's kitten. So the baby cat is known as kitten. So we will give the answer no, comma, this is not a cat. The correct answer is it is a kitten. It is a kitten. Next comes, is this a shop? But the image here given is there are many children playing in front of a building, and the building looks like a school. That means where the children play with a uniform, that means it's a school campus. So here the question has been asked, is this a shop? Shop means the place where things are being sold, right? So this is not a shop. So how we will answer it? No, this is not a shop. No, this is not a shop. This is a school. This is a school. Again we got one question, that is, will you go to hospital? As I asked you prior, that if you are getting some question that will you go to park, will you go to mall, what you will say? No, I will not. I will not go to mall. I will not go to park. I will not go in the gathering. Will I like to hang out this week? No, I am not going to hang out this weekend. I am going to stay at home. Right? So, in this, one person has been asked that will you go to hospital? And we are getting the image of a hospital only. But the answer, no sorry, but the question to whom the question has been asked, that person is not ready to go to hospital. So, The answer is, I will not go to the hospital. But if this person is a patient, then what would have been the answer? The answer would have been, yes, I will go to hospital. But here the person is telling, I will not go to the hospital. Okay? So, and here the image of hospital is only given. So, there is nothing to be rectified. So, in this manner, we will use the word no and not. No or yes is being used when the question is being asked to you and you have to answer it in a objective form. Okay? Yes, no. Did you wake up early in the morning? No. Do you like to have a glass of milk? Yes. Will you like to play? Yes. Do you like to eat bitter gourd? Do you know what is bitter gourd? What is the taste of bitter gourd? Bitter gourd mane ki jano? Uche. Do you like to have bitter gourd? Yes or no? Come on, come on, come on. Let's see how many of you can answer. No, no. Okay, my God, so many. Ma'am, you are not audible and visible. Shatuki, please disconnect the call and join me again. Please disconnect the call and each and every, only Orgo is telling, yes, he likes bitter gourd. Very good. Actually, bitter gourd is a green vegetable and it is very good for your health. And it is bitter in taste. Like lemon is sour in taste, bitter gourd is bitter in taste. Like sweetmeats are sweet in taste, chocolates are. Lemon is sour in taste, chili is hot in taste. In the same way, bitter gourd's taste, but bitter taste is also a type of taste. And it should be eaten by each and everyone in at least appropriate amount. Okay, a little bit. Okay, once or twice in a week, little bit. একটু একটু খেতে হবে। একটু একটু খেলে কি হবে বলে তো? তোমরা অনেক intelligent হবে, আরো বেশি intelligent হবে। Okay, so you have to eat, right? All types of vegetables, green vegetables, at least এক দুবার, হ্যাঁ? ডাল ভাত, চিকেন যেমন খাও সেরকম একবার কি দুবার at least উইকে একটুখানি yes bitter gourd খেতে হবে উচ্ছে। Okay, it's very good for your health. ঠিক আছে? So how many of you are going to execute it? Yes or no? আজকে থেকে কে কে খাবে? Come on, tell me yes or no. How many? Let's see. How many students are going to eat? Okay, Inakshi told she is going to eat from today. Okay, Trishita also told, Nandini also, Ayushman, no ma'am, Ayushman, you are not going to eat bitter gourd. একটু একটু খেতে হবে। Okay, it's good for your health. Okay, chalo. Very good. Afrin, Shushobhan, Arjo, no ma'am, no, no, no. Arjo, একটু একটু অল্প। Okay, try little bit. একবার একবার করে একটুখানি একবার একবার করে ট্রাই করবে। Okay, চলো। That will enhance your habit also. For once you have the taste, okay, it's a very nice taste. Bitter taste is also a good taste beta. Okay, chalo. Very good. And the rest of the students who have promised me that they will from today. Okay, Ayushman has also said he will take little bit. And Ankita also. Okay. So, from today onwards, little bit. Okay. Have all types of taste. All types of taste. Okay. Very nice. So, all of my students have stopped saying no and they had said yes. Very good. That's the nice thing. And we will try that we will not be negative. We will not say no to anything, but we will say no to only those things which are not good, which are bad. But for all the good things, for all the good habits, for all the good manners, we are going to say what? We are going to say what? Let me get the answer from my students. For all good habits, for all good things, what we are going to say? What we are going to say? So some are going to writing the answers, what we are going to say. So let's get the answer from them. Fast, fast, fast. Let's see. To all the good things, what we are going to say? We are going to say, I want answers from my students. Anyone? No one. We are going to say yes or no. We are going to say yes or no. Yes. We are going to try. And we are going to try. And if you will try, you will succeed. Those who try, they will succeed. Yes. So, we are getting the answers that all my students are going to be very positive. They are not going to be negative in any aspect of their life, right? So, students, with your science class, till that time, take some rest and be happy. Thank you.